What is a dead zone? Have you ever heard of a dead zone in the ocean? It sounds alarming, and it is. A dead zone is an area in a body of water where oxygen levels are so low that most marine life cannot survive. These areas are often referred to as hypoxic zones. The oxygen levels in these zones can drop below 2 milligrams per liter, which is not enough to support fish, shrimp, crabs, and other sea creatures. When oxygen levels fall this low, many marine animals either die or flee to find better conditions. So what causes these dead zones? The main culprit is nutrient pollution. This happens when excess nutrients, particularly nitrogen and phosphorus, enter water bodies. These nutrients often come from agricultural runoff, wastewater, and urban sources. When these nutrients flow into the water, they trigger rapid algae growth. This process can lead to an overproduction of algae, including cyanobacteria, which is commonly known as blue-green algae. Once the algae die, they sink to the bottom of the water body. As they decompose, a significant amount of oxygen is consumed in the process. This reduces the oxygen available for marine animals, creating a situation where they cannot survive. This entire process is part of a larger ecological imbalance known as eutrophication. Eutrophication leads to an overproduction of organic material, and when it decomposes, it depletes the oxygen in the water. If the water layers do not mix well, oxygen from the surface cannot reach the deeper layers, worsening the dead zone conditions. From the perspective of marine life, dead zones pose a serious threat. Areas that should be rich in biodiversity turn into biological deserts, lacking fish, crustaceans, and other aquatic organisms. This loss of habitat disrupts food webs and the overall health of marine ecosystems. While some mobile species can escape these zones, those that cannot face suffocation and death. Dead zones are not limited to one location. They occur worldwide in coastal areas and large lakes, especially near populated and agricultural regions. For instance, the northern Gulf of Mexico is home to one of the largest dead zones globally, largely due to nutrient runoff from the Mississippi River basin. Other affected areas include the Chesapeake Bay, the Baltic Sea, and parts of the Great Lakes. In essence, a dead zone is a low oxygen area in water bodies primarily caused by nutrient pollution. This leads to excessive algae growth and oxygen depletion, creating inhospitable conditions for marine life. Addressing nutrient pollution is essential for preventing and restoring these habitats, ensuring a healthier environment for marine animals.